welcome back to my channel, Taste of Teranga. So today we're making eggs fried rice. So let's saute our onions in the hot oil like this. Add the eggs, mix it with black pepper and salt. Let them fry, stirring so it won't stick on the pan. Add our fresh vegetable. You see that? I love some vegetable. Okay, add it like this. Add some mixed seasoning. It's black pepper, salt, and oregano leaves. Add some soy sauce. And guys, I'm so sorry for my voice. I'm not feeling good today. Add our rice. It was a leftover of my white rice. Okay, and so you will go very fast. Okay, stirring. Mix it all together and let it cook for 5 minutes. See you guys. Our eggs fried rice is ready. Let's serve. Look at this texture, and it smells really good. Ta-da! This is our eggs fried rice accompanied with baked chicken. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.